Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Next, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile page, look for the three lines in the top right corner. Tap them to open the Settings and Privacy menu. From this menu, tap on Account. Here, you will see different options related to your account information. Look for the option that says Delete Account and tap it. TikTok will now show you two options. The first one is to deactivate your account, and the second is to delete the account permanently. Choose whichever option you prefer. After that, it will ask you to answer some questions, but they are optional, so you can skip them. After that, you can request to download your data. This is optional as well. If you are sure you want to continue, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. TikTok may ask you to verify your identity, either by confirming with a code sent to your phone or by logging in again. Follow the steps on the screen. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Delete Account. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. Thanks for watching.